I'm going to walk you through how to hide your account from your friends that are also using Cowrywise. Now, normally when you create a Cowrywise account, what it does is that it gives you the ability to be discovered by friends that are also using Cowrywise for safe transfer and for it to be able to do I call it for safe transfer, and also for free transfer to those friends that also have Cowrywise app. So now, if you do not want to have that, you can see this option for save by myself and save with others. So another reason why it allows others that are using Cowrywise and your friends or in your contacts to also see that you have a Cowrywise account, so you can save with them. You can save with them. But if you do not want this, you want to remain anonymous or you want to hide your account, what you do is you tap on your profile icon, then you type on profile, and then you scroll down and you see enable my account to be discovered by friends. Most time this account visibility is turned on, so you have to make sure it is turned off. So if you turn it on, it will mean that all your contacts on Cowrywise can also see your account. Like I said, it's for free transfer and for other social media activities. So this is how to enable it. But if you don't want, then turn it off. Like I said earlier, you can just turn it off, and it's as simple as that. And then tap on save changes, and now you are anonymous. Your account is invincible to those friends, but that also means you won't get free transfer to those friends that are also using Cowrywise, and you don't get the option. You will not be able to use the save with others option here effectively. Hope you found this video helpful.